Pelvic fracture-related hemorrhage is a serious condition that requires immediate attention in the emergency department. Effective management involves several key steps to stabilize the patient and control bleeding. As healthcare providers, understanding these steps is essential for improving patient outcomes. In managing pelvic fracture-related hemorrhage, there are 5 primary goals: resuscitation, recognition, evaluation, stabilization, and control of pelvic bleeding. Resuscitation, early recognition of hemorrhagic shock is critical. Initiating blood transfusion promptly is essential to stabilize the patient. Recognition, patients with posterior arch injuries are at a higher risk for pelvic hemorrhage. Identifying these injuries early can guide treatment decisions. Evaluation, it is important to identify associated non-pelvic injuries, particularly those involving the head, chest, and intra-abdominal regions, as these significantly increase mortality risk. Stabilization. Immobilizing the pelvis using a sheet and towel clamps is a simple method. However, stabilization by external fixation or pelvic C-clamp should be performed by orthopedic surgeons. Control of pelvic bleeding. Angiography is highly effective for treating pelvic arterial hemorrhage. Pelvic packing during laparotomy is another method used to control bleeding, with institutional practices determining which technique or combination is used. In conclusion, pelvic fracture-related hemorrhage requires immediate and systematic management. Management should focus on resuscitation, recognition, evaluation, stabilization, and bleeding control. Healthcare providers must stay vigilant and follow best practices to improve outcomes.